guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm gonna be making a versatile crochet, and this is the pack of hair that I will be using. It's the Darling Natural Twist. I think this is in color 1. So this is how it comes in a pack. It's, I can't even remember. So why I don't remember how it came in the pack is because I already used this pack of hair before. So all I did was just to brush the hair out and I reused it. So I really do not remember. Then all I did was just to take one part of the hair, take out the bond. So this is the middle section. So this is it. Then all I did was just to cut it in half, making it like this. So cut it to 2. So this is how it's gonna be when I add it to my hair. So this is the hair all brushed out. So I'm starting by prepping my hair. So in my spray bottle, so at this point I'm beginning to hear some noise, so which means that I'll be able to talk throughout this video. So it's just going to be a voice over. So with this style, I'm gonna leave some hair out. So now I'm parting some hair in the middle of my head. That's in the front, not all the way to the back, just the front. Then I'm going to be braiding it out of the way, as well as the sides, like around my head. Also, if you want side parts, you can create that as well, either on both sides or just one side. I created on just one side, so just keep watching. So once I part, I braid it out of the way. As my hair was beginning to dry up and this shrinkage was already looking whole, so I had to re-wet my hair. So now at this point, you can decide whether you want big cornrows or smaller cornrows, or just put your hair in braids, like big braids. So I had, I guess, 5 cornrows and all, and they were large cornrows. So all I did was just to moisturize my hair with oil, and I cornrowed my hair. So here I'm done, and at the back I attached all the ends of the hair together, leaving me with just one. So I just stuck that last one in between the hair as well with my crochet hook. Now, this is the size of hair that I will be using at a time. So you put the crochet hook into your hair where you want the extension to be, hook the extension, then latch it, then pull through your hair, and afterwards pull the extension through the loop to make a knot. I don't know if that makes any sense, but just watch. It is, self-explanatory. Put the crochet hook into your hair, put the extension on the hook, latch it, pull it through, pull the extension through the loop to create a knot. So you can either knot your hair once or twice or even more than that, but I did my just once because I would love to take down this hair and still reuse it. So just put the hair on the hook, okay, to make a loop, then pull the rest of the extension through the loop to make a knot. Pull it through, then make a knot. Attach the hair on the hook, latch it, pull it through your hair, to make a loop, then pull the rest of the extension through the loop to make a knot. So that's just the process of crocheting. So here I was just, brushing the hair out so that she would look presentable. Then afterwards I loosened my hair that I left out. Oh, here I'm just trimming the hair down, and so here I'm loosening my hair that was left out so that I would see how how they match each other. Then I felt like the hair wasn't easily controlled, probably because it was too much, so I decided to stretch it a bit with my straightening brush, and you'll see that in a moment. I decided to stretch it, and after stretching it I realized that it's actually was easier to work with. It was easier to work with and to pack, and also maintenance. So do not forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this video. So also the stretching made the hair feel softer. So afterwards I'm just going to do my edges, do my makeup, and I'll be right back to show you guys the results of the hair. So I'm done with my makeup, my edges are laid, even though they're already, you know, acting all funny. So I'm just loosening my braided hair. And this is the finished look. Thank you guys for watching, and do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.